Yeah. Quite a compact no, not here, but we will do.
Reset, Steve.
Oh, I see. Yes. Slowing things from Oh, is that right? We don't know. That's it. They just keep like coaches running on their own.
If at the end you can see that there's, because the other thing that some railways have is the ability to have an engine at one end and stay at that end.
Right. Yeah.
Trouble is not the exact you only have near one.
He's gone. He's up. His carriage is up.
Oh no, I don't. Go, go, racing.
They're racing. I don't think they're quite racing.
Oh no, go in. Go in.
It's always having this, yeah. So many of those platforms. There's no more than that. Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, another train. Two trains.
It's actually just going slower than I thought it was.
Even if it's all sorts of condensing tank, which must have sometimes it's like it was doing the underground. Must have had some rather peculiar locomotives. Well, peculiar to ours, because anyway, but I do not know.
It's an A class. If you're wondering what it is, it's. So if you go in the OA tires, you had A, B, C, D. We've got all of them on here. We've got an A, a B, a C, and a D on here. That was the forerunner to the Super Ds, things like that, and the Gs. Yes. So we've got the whole gambit right the way through.
All them
No, they're not compact. They are compact. Well, they were compact. Oh, he knows more about it.
And then put like a resin on top.
big disc in the centre between the bucket wheels. This is one of his locos. This is a Dreadnought. That's a 2220.
Oh, so not coupled then?
There's no coupling rods between the main drivers. Is that the one? Why? Well, there's no coupling rods between the drivers, so you've either got to have a complicated gearing arrangement or two motors.
Oh, you're getting traction.
There's no coupling rods. Well, difficult to get in on. There's a very good book by the WR Society, I think. I wish I'd bought it now. I saw it at
Oh, there's one. There's one moving there. It's big! Are you taking a photo?
I saw it at the NEC. I wish I'd bought it, but I flipped through it and it was just fascinating. All the innovations in those in that sort of mid-Victorian period. It was just remarkable.
Thomas? No, not Thomas.
Can we go to the next one?
Projected to shorter. No carrier weight next to it.
Summer.
I don't think I've seen a single wild cricket that I want to come and see.
Which does. Yeah. Well, they never get enough. Yes, yeah. Whatever. Yes, yeah. I mean, that is the thing that hobbies. I know we always worry about it. The thing is, when I started on it, I had the only intention to submit station. But every which way I tried, because basically the plan was out. But
Because the bump's a bit over the pump.
that's the deal. Yes, yeah, I must admit that.
He was desperate for some tater out. Every shop around anywhere big enough. And the locals want the stationery open.
Pardon?
They still have a station in Chat. There's two stations in Chat. One on the Buxton Manchester line, the LNW one, where they had that big accident. This one is in town. The other one's a mile and a half out of town. There's hardly any car park. We want this one. The track's still there. The rail track came out with huge figure
Yeah.
to put a flat down. We don't want to do it. So it's going to So, it's already there. Because the limestone trade, you think they apply logic to these questions, but they don't. But for not only for that, you may have noticed anyone is involved in the civil service, like rail track, like because they can't. Oh, you've lost your pen.
Wait.
So, well, I'm looking out the window and seeing a platform who's now in it. So, I know. I know that, you know that. They think we don't know it. Where Roberts is your, well, it's in was, isn't it? It's complete your.
I was in Hartlepool, which is where the laugh comes from there, but I was going to get the train to York.
Oh, that's Grand Central.
Another one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they just
The one should be to get on the Grand Central London. Because otherwise you missed about 5 minutes. Left hand, right hand.
their shooters got 60 Peru.
Oh, yeah.
So I love walking on the front, where the people see where the old engine ships were, and the books so I can see what the
All steelworks as well.
yeah, well, her granddads all worked there.
Yeah, my uncle used to be the crane driver there.
Oh really?
He loved it.
You can understand why the shed looked always so dilapidated, because it's literally right next to the sea, and the wind that comes off that sea.
But Hartlepool had one thing we'd never do, a bit like they're a train from Newcastle area down through there to Hall and through. They won't even give you, they won't get off here and do that. Go this horse and ours. They're so dash wagons. The last two, yeah. We built a modern Varford Junction on the London River, and so dash wagons. They were just like a slab, because they didn't last very long. So dash used to rock them. But I built those all along. Wasp lights. Then it's black and yellow, so it stands out a bit more. How long does it take to set up this way? We arrived on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday at 4 o'clock. Went to the hotel.
Staying at home for a day, playing trains, so it's fun to travel.
Yeah.
But yes, finances.
These go down the road, took me into the dock. So when you have then there's another one, which was the coal elections to the States, Big Bird, which is Sunderland, but Newcastle had a road somewhere. Sorry, young man.
What the?
Oh, my left. My left is good. My left. My left.
queuing up, which was true.
Sorry. Can you put your left and push it back further because it's on the curve? Can you coming through? Can you come slowly? The barrier band between the Lima coach and
maybe not a week yet.
his undercarriage is falling apart. His undercarriage is falling apart.
Right is 80.8.
It's not CM to wider gauge, so more accurate to scale.
That's a crane.
It's difficult. I think it's still a bit green actually. I think that's going to be probably the texture of it. But it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't sound. Yeah, because it wouldn't be smooth in texture. It's just foam mans, and then I think we put
Two great nations separated by language. Oh, GT, yeah. I am old enough to remember the original GT, we were trying, wasn't it? Not sure what the dimensions were.
Invented it out of this end. Pardon? Invented it out of this end. It's away from the back of the layer. So you are looking across the foreground of the layer. So instead of everything being up in front, you're looking across the layer.
Yeah, we have taken that a couple of times, but most recently probably was the Curling Show in the Cricket Road.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, please.
Newport in Wales.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah. That's on record.
So that's how it all starts, isn't it?
I'll show you the truck in a minute.
That's fine. I'll do what every other lorry driver in the world does and just sit there impatiently.
Touching a bit. Touching a bit. That's obviously radio control. Everything's radio control.
Locos as well.
Oh,
No, the track is completely dead.
right.
There's no power going into the track whatsoever. So
I suppose it would work. Save the track. So it's the technology.
I'm too rough.
Through the technology on there.
yeah. I'm just 12 now. We've had a new BT call. It's a back RX because the old one was going to fall over.
I had a slightly different conversation with Open Beach at my house because there's something everyone didn't want because it wasn't the way what I was doing. And I had to make a phone lines to actually give me up and say, I'm taking stuff off my house. And eventually they went, it's not fine.
Sometimes it's a lot quicker.
I've got to run it round for you.
That's fine. I'm doing the train. And the red lorry when it moves.
The crane's picking that barrel up. Somewhere else.
Oh! Can you get in there?
Yeah. Yeah, I can get there.
Right.
No, 7 now. Might make things easier. Maybe not.
Okay. Come forward. Up there? Yeah, you win a small teddy bear if you get it in.
great deal of difficulty. No, I'm still good. And pray.
Wrong way.
What's that? Oh, wrong way. The genius who built the crane put 4 hooks on it, so it's more difficult to.
You noticed. I was only doing what Steve told me.
Like the way you haven't had to carry the road on, because that's often the problem, you haven't got room for road and railway. That's really clever.
It is good.
Very South Wales, like a road just stopping.
Stopping at a railway, yes. Maybe it's named Rose Cottage in Welsh, but it's not necessarily set anymore. It's not.
The gates are across. Everything's open. What's going to happen now?
Hit some shingles all the hit.
Everything's shut.
Very clever, wasn't it?
Gates are all shut.
Gone round the back to rescue his lorry. Very
See
clever.
through the back.
What's that?
Yes, you can. Yeah,
We can't. This one's the front.
Roller coaster went round.
Taking stuff from the lorry, putting in the wagon, and driving the lorry. Some people call it gimmicks, but I don't. I think it's really clever. It is. Pass me there. All right. Seen enough of this. Thank you very much.
No worries. Keep trying, mate. You get it by the end of the day. What a hand?
I think just put it forward a bit. Something.
I don't know where the magnet is. There isn't one there, I know that much. There you go.
No, the one in Bedminster, the M1 bus goes right by it, and if I'm on the bus, if I remember, I look out and think, oh yeah, that used to be trains to Bedminster.
That's just for the London Inn.
It's some, yeah, nothing to do with railways, obviously.
Maybe they're going in there to
What was the English song?
Yeah. Yeah, and the one over Lawrence Hill by the railway station, Max Williams, who passed away years ago. God bless his soul. Wonderful man.
Okay.
Thing that touches the electric wire.
Did they?
Yeah.
Did they go over there?
Yeah. One. That one's going round. Can you see them come out the other side?
Yeah, look at that. Ooh, how cool is that?
Look. Goes that way.
Yeah.
Oh, it can take that way.
Good. What's your favourite one so far?
You don't have to get on the bars.
No, you can see it really well, can't you?
Mum, if we were up there, that would be great.
Good.
There's something odd going on there. I've just put those on, so I'll be off, I think.
Oh yeah, there it is. Coming through the tree door.
Is that point motors or cables?
Point motors.
It is point motors. Very smooth.
Yeah, there's something called tortoise motors.
Ah, right.
So,
Watch this motor. There's no way. There's no way. It's just parked in there. It's parked in there for a reason.
right. Now they're really challenging, isn't it?
Just learning how it works.
Right, if you...
Ooh, it's a look.
Yeah. Bring it up.
How are you going to get that back up?
I have to bring it all the way around and lift the wagon off and sit it on. Yeah, things I do to entertain you, you see.
It sets it up.
Well, I did try a vacuum. The trouble was magnet was. So I then couldn't take it away.
It's highlighted.
It is a bit, yeah. Yeah.
Smile, you're on camera.
Yeah, I looked something up again.
Where did that come from, or have you got a lot in the shed?
Sorry?
How have you already filled that up? Have you filled that up?
It's better. Try and get it in the wagon.
Goes back through the trees there and ends up over here. But look, it's over here. Look, it's then done through there.
Wales.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's a short end. Right, now he's going. Right, that's back to the end. Right, Sinclair. That's definitely the spring. Get to that end, I'll sort it out in a minute. That's suspension. Yeah.
So if only gets 3 stops.
We've had a loco fail, so they're sending the right engine to pieces.
Don't hope Yeah, but sometimes we can.
Yeah, you're alright, you should be past any fine.
Yeah.
Sorry. They were asking to see some traffic moving down the line.
They think that they can pay 6 or 7 million for these people and fix anything. They don't fix it. They're roofing it. They're looking at all the buses and
Even when you've got it switched off or down to the bottom, there still seems to be a little bit of residual power in there. Sorry?
This is a bit of a shame because it's just missed the emergency trip.
There's a player in the buses.
Oh, right. So they die-cast vehicles?
Some of them, yeah.
Got a Falla?
They just adopted Fallon.
Yeah. So I was thinking of doing it with a bus, but the die-cast bus I got, it seems heavy. I just wondered whether the Falla system would power it.
Now a lot of the vehicles are Oxford die-cast, yeah.
Bottom bars are die-cast.
So single-decker bus.
Yeah, they're okay. But still wouldn't go up the hill as easy. It's quite a big motor in there. Yes, and so the way we got around it, it runs too fast anyway.
Yeah.
So you always have to slow it down to make it to scale.
Yeah.
And the way we do that is our
only on for
resistance
one way.
diodes.
Yeah.
That slows it down. But in this case, as the bus is trundling along, it's not, and as it starts to go uphill, there's a little Mercury switch in it. It's a tilt switch. Tilts. Just shorts out one of the resistors. So a little bit of a boost to go uphill and then drops back down to normal again. And that seems to work all right. Yes, just have them with a magnet. So. Yeah, there's a lot of, but you can't predict what the performance is after you've made it.
No.
You might spend hours and hours and hours faffing about. It's easier with bigger vehicles.
Yes.
But the smaller ones, you have limited space to try and introduce some sort of speed control.
Right.
Yeah, and it's had problems with is not on this layout, the previous layout was you put sorry, it's got a bit of a rotor going on it. Obviously, sparks going. That's what you just said. We've been dropped into the door duties as well, which has thrown us.
All right.
To man the doors as well.
Okay.
The steel wire buried in the road.
Yeah.
Finding us as the vehicles are going across, slowly magnetising the steel wire. And then the magnet, the big repellent, because the steel wires also we overcame that. And after about 10 or 15 minutes, we demagnetized by itself. We're after the way we overcame it, the steel wire doesn't stop. Yeah, the wire down about an inch, so it terminates. So the end of the wire is becoming magnetized. The magnet goes over it. It took a long time to work that one out. And hence we can have the sections. Yeah. So it's right, if you have a big circle, big loop, with the two ends joined. Yeah. Yeah, you're set.
There's Jinx over there. Jinx.
Just a little bit quick.
Can you set that to number 3? You're wearing that switch over.
It's like London.
All trains migrated to Liverpool.
Yeah.
Keep up. Marty, can you set the rope for me to come all the way out? Yeah, you're there.
Oh, we're in from
I want to go out right road.
Is the prodigy the prodigy remembers the settings you had before, or has he got to put them in the settings?
Oh yeah.
Station member. Yeah, and just no
Where are you going?
Hey? Oh, you're going across, are you?
You're off to work.
Can't wait.
You go a bit slower.
The station was sort of within this, isn't it? I mean, the sound
Don't fight ahead and still station.
I'm glad I didn't do that.
Actually, having first one in. You made a dead fine sugar.
Don't find fire. Post off.
Yes, it has been really
Get on with it.
It's what? Pretty short station. Is it?
Just going to carry on going round and round like it's a time park. There it goes again. It's very big
Oh yeah.
And he said the train was terrible. He said, I saw a lady in a long, flowing thing, went into the toilet. So he went and opened the door, and there she was. All this lovely all in the floor. What was I thinking about? And I said, did you rescue her? He said, of course. In Germany, you rescue her.
Surely one department of war against another department.
Yeah, Robin Hills is a part of it. Oh yeah. Yes, he did. Because he went out because I think he retired because he was you've lost your coaches, Brian.
Brian Alert.
Stop looking.
After we retired, we went to yeah, those aerodynamicists to start with.
Yes. It's not kind of place that is captivating enough that's super love living there. Never mind the extreme like really cool. Yeah, we walk polar boats and stuff down from like Greenland to one side to side. But the boat season that we come from Siberia and Greenland anyway. The trains are all exactly where it was. So what has been seeing everything down? But you can get when you get cable craft that's more for typically North American companies, so you can get that as well.
Stop it.
You want to take it from it?
That's rather good. Lovely rolling stock. The seam's great too. I think that's just a perfect sort of day out.
Header's getting a bit tight.
Make it a bit more universal.
I think they decided they can't compete with double O or N. So
No, that's right. So they
decided
drive somewhere else.
Work off somewhere else to get huge investment.
Oh, massive. Massive. They must have had some feelers out beforehand that sort of say, yes, it's a
People find N too small to take it on. O-Gate is taking on a lot.
It
The
is.
prices are not much more than the double O.
No, some of the double O stuff taking
Everything came back new. I'll sit on my wallet for about a year.
quite a while.
I had a big whack, then the prices would halve on some stuff. You get the must have one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, come and talk to people. It's no moral obligation to like them or to be courteous. Well, the size of a single garage. If I want to carry on, it's got to be smaller, I think. Yeah, it's so. And I suddenly think, oh, damn, Vodafone switched off 3G. It doesn't work. It didn't work in my house when I needed. Then you buy something and spark.
Coming to the station and hold.
think it needs a bit of paint to show up there.
Yeah, the auto in, please. Mike's on here, Ian. Oh, I like this, sorry.
Model Road one. Yeah. Took that down to Boyhead. And if you ever wonder what happened, I've been there. I had the days at it. Yeah. Model Railway, Boyhead, the only operating it on the main platform of Boyhead, Copper Top School. That's got to be everything. Yeah. Yeah. On Boyhead Station, beside where you're
What's talking to
See the book on all time.
Well, you just managed to...
Trains.
Yeah. The other day they got two Derek said they want price on it. I said they've got another one there.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Well, clear shot the apparatus again. That's a really shot here.
You can, yeah, you can long, you can. It's not like you'll be changing anything now. They said it is. Another one. Yeah, you might be out tomorrow.
Well, it's actually still got
Yeah, City are doing well.
not really getting the digit.
Slow, common train.
You're up, man.
photo. I was asking somebody, how come the two electrified rails all the time, it wasn't electrified?
Always electric.
Yeah.
They converted Sarah to she's been
Right.
adapted. So, because she's service down at East.
Oh, right, yeah.
But originally,
On the underground, you go out by one of the stations. No, in London. No, it was, I forget, anyway, these things used to come through with the same coaches. Landfill coaches.
yes. Finchley Road, this cottage.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to love seeing them come through.
Down to Baker Street.
Baker Street, I went round when they got to the end, didn't they? Another one used to go on the front.
Yeah, and at Rickmansworth, the electric lines used to go out to Rickmansworth. At Rickmansworth, they brought steam engines on, LNER steam engines
right,
on,
yeah.
and took them further. The electrics used to back down and then go into a spur facing London. When it came the other way, the steam engine would come off and the electric would go on.
Number one, because I've got one, and it was kind of great. And we've got the other one, and the other one's in red,
Two liveries.
Yeah.
Oh well, maroon and grey.
Yeah.
Grey was wartime. They were maroon before the war.
Right.
Put into grey.
Back up.
It's not actually a problem. Yes, indeed. Problem programming trick. It's a program.
Yeah.
So I was moving that one, trying to run to it, managed to knock it on the switch, so I tried to do it. I'm thinking, well, it's not slowing down. It's not wrong answer.
programs and that. It's very fun.
ones that obviously you need. Want to do that? So I want to see them, and then go to them.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, I know. I've locked it. It's all right. Lock it all back up to the other side. We'll have that out. We'll cover it back.
crocodile.